Okay. I'm Kelsey.
And I'm Emma.
That's Emma. Yeah. I know we look like total hippies right now, but that's part of the plan. We are Tagloy, which, if you didn't know, stands for Totally Awesome Girls on YouTube. Okay. Now, we're gonna do... I have this chair in my room that swings. Check it out. Look at it. It's like not even on the floor. It hangs from the ceiling. How awesome! Now, Emma is going to swing on it. Okay. Hold on.
Wait, spin or swing?
Spin, I think. Gotta find. Hold on. Move this. There we go. Now we can see it. Okay. I have to spin this. We have to spin. Just gotta get situated. Like that. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get this. You're just doing this. She hates her headband. Yeah, she wants to take it off.
Yeah.
That's not part of the hippie code.
It's really nice.
Okay, it's almost ready. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow, isn't that awesome? And it slowed down right time soon. Let's turn this music on. Oh, snap. Don't know who's saying this, but okay. Okay, my turn! Okay. Woo! Snap, it's still going. Okay, and we're going. And we're still going. Holy cow, this is going fast. Ow! You touched the glasses! No! Oh, okay. Okay. Ready?
1.
What do you got?
2, 3.
Oh, man. Okay, we're good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Put these on. I feel it. To you. Okay. We'll see you next time. Comment, rate, subscribe. That's so weird. Okay? I hate when people do that to their videos, and I just did that.
Good job.
Yes. Thank you. Don't know what our next video will be. So, yeah, talk to you then. Bye. Bye. Peace. Got some hippies.
We're
here.
hippies.